In the last video, we have talked about how can you promote your affiliate products without a website. So if you don't have a website or you want to learn some different strategies to promote your affiliate products, then you can watch that video and learn those techniques to promote your affiliate products without a website. So in this video, we will talk specifically about how can you promote your products, affiliate products, using your website or a blog or a landing page. I will show you everything I do to promote my affiliate products using my blog, and I will show you every strategy that can help you to promote your products and make extra money as an affiliate marketer. So I'm Zain Rizvee from W3 Academy. Without wasting your time, let's get started. Using your website to promote your affiliate products is very important. If you use your website to promote your affiliate products, you will increase your success rate by 100% as an affiliate marketer. So if you don't have a website, you can just create your website or a blog for free. I have already made a video on this. You can just watch that video and create a website or a landing page absolutely for free without any investment. So I recommend just go and create a website and then start affiliate marketing. You will see the difference. A huge difference will be there. You will increase your success rate in affiliate marketing by 100%. So now I'll take you to my computer screen, and there I will show you how can you promote your products, how I promote my affiliate products using my blog. So let's go to my computer screen. Okay, now we are on my laptop screen. So now I will open browser, and okay, now let me open my blog, w3academy.net. It's my blog. As you can see that here I share different strategies about email marketing, about growing your Facebook page, about designing, about affiliate marketing, about email marketing. So if you haven't checked it out yet, then just go and check it out. You might get some helpful tutorial from my blog as well. So now if I show you, like you can see that here I have an advertisement section. So as you can see that this is not from AdSense. I have set it up myself. So I will show you in a while that how can you set up this advertisement section on your blog or a website as well. So as you can see that advertisements, and here it's my affiliate link. So as you can see that if somebody clicks here and if somebody buys from my link, I will get some specific commission. So if I refresh this, okay, as you can see that this advertisement will change automatically. So I will show you in a while how can you set up this on your website. So it's very best thing that if you are getting traffic on your website, if you have a lot of traffic on your website, then you can monetize your website with affiliate products other than your AdSense. So as you can see that this is my ad section. So okay, so to set up this kind of advertisement on your blog, you will have to use a plugin called Advanced Ads. Okay, so this is a WordPress plugin, and you can install this for free, and you can add your advertisements on your website absolutely for free without any investment. Okay, so this is the plugin Advanced Ads, Ad Manager and AdSense. So you'll have to download this and activate it on your WordPress site. Then you can set up ads on your website as well. And you can place your advertisement anywhere on your site. If I open this post, okay, so now as you can see that from here in my content, this is a banner ad, and as you can see that this is affiliate link of Canva. I am promoting Canva as an affiliate marketer. So as you can see that I have displayed this banner using Advanced Ads, this plugin. So as you can see that here is another affiliate product, lead pages. So I'm promoting this using Advanced Ads, a WordPress plugin. So that's my first strategy. You can use Advanced Ads to place advertisement on your website. And now we will talk about the second strategy I am using to promote my affiliate products using my website. So if I open this article and this article, okay, Okay, so this is a blog post I have added on my blog. What is Canva? Why it is so necessary for me as a digital marketer? 5 reasons. So here you can see that I am targeting digital marketers for this blog post. And if we look down, like you can see that what is Canva, and 5 reasons why I choose to grow my business. So I'm providing some reasons here, and here you can see that logo design made easy using Canva. So as you can see that it's here using my advanced ads. So if we look down, as you can see that here it's my affiliate link. Sign up today for a free account. So if somebody clicks on this link, or if somebody buys using this link, I get some commission as an affiliate marketer. So I am promoting my affiliate products, my affiliate link using my blog post. I am writing blog articles about my affiliate product. Like let's say you are promoting some affiliate products about email marketing, like Sendinblue. It's a best email marketing software. So what will you do? You will write an article about Sendinblue. Why is it so necessary for you as an email marketer? Then you can post your article on your blog, and by sharing your link, but providing a real value. I don't want to spam people. I don't want you to spam people. You'll have to provide real value, valuable content to your reader through your blog. So as you can see that from here, I am providing real value. As you can see that what is Canva, I am not spamming people. I am providing real reasons. I am providing ways to use Canva. And here you can see that Canva free or pro. I am providing real value, my opinion about using a free version. If you are just beginning with Canva, you are using it non-professional, you can use free account. So I'm not asking them to buy a pro Canva. So I'm asking them to use this software, this wonderful software, if they need it. So as you can see that you can promote your affiliate products using your blog. If you haven't created a blog on your website, then make sure you create a subdomain for your blog as well on your website, so that you can promote your affiliate products using your blog. Now it's my second strategy. I'm using my blog, writing articles to promote my affiliate projects. And the third very important strategy: people come to my website, people come to my blog to learn about things. So I'm recommending them resources and tools. So if I click here, like you can see that resources and tools, here you will find all the necessary tools, resources and services that I use to grow my online business. With links, you can just click to sign up. So as you can see that people trust me, people watch me on YouTube, and then they go on my blog to learn about things, to learn about how I do business and what tools I'm using to grow my business. So I'm recommending some softwares, like you can see that email marketing tools, snov.io. This is my affiliate link. So it's an email marketing software, and GetResponse, it's my affiliate link, like you can see that. And Sendinblue, it's my affiliate link, and Canva here, as you can see that. So I am promoting some products through resources and tools. While promoting some affiliate products, like you can see that this is not my affiliate link, this is not my affiliate link, just because I want to provide real value to my audience, to my viewers. So I'm promoting some other products as well. So as you can see that if I show you disclaimers, some of the links here are affiliate links. So I'm not hiding that I am using some affiliate links. I am promoting some affiliate links using my website. So this is my third strategy, and you can use you can make a page like this, resources and tools, on your blog as well, related to your product, promoting your affiliate products on your blog through resources and tools pages. So it's very simple, it's very easy. A lot of people will click on these tools, and if when somebody buys using your link, you'll get some commission as an affiliate marketer. So these are the best and proven strategies to promote your products, to promote your affiliate products using your website. So that's all for this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then do it now so you won't miss my videos in future. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.